Hello, it's Crafty Rhea. Thank you so much for joining me today. I went to the post office and I have some happy mail to share with you. 2 of the items were delivered to my home, so I will show you those as well. So I'm going to move these over. I'm so excited about what's in this big box. And I will move that over. And I'll start with my Walmart subscription box. I know it's not crafty, but it is fun. You can sign up on their website. I think it's $5 per quarter, and you get this neat little box, and it usually has some pretty good stuff in there. This month, it's really an awesome box, and it's worth quite a bit more than the $5, so I wanted to share it with you. And we'll start off with, these are Lumify. They are Redness Reliever eye drops, and it's, I think, a sample pack. Let me see what it looks like inside. Yeah, there's this, and that would be good to take on a trip or to carry in my purse. It feels like one of those individual plastic ones, so that's good to have for when we are traveling again. I like stuff like this for when we go to places like Las Vegas when it's really dry. My eyes get very dry. And this Gold Bond Ultimate Strength and Resilience Proteins and Lipids. Gold Bond products I think are really, really nice. This is a skin therapy cream, so that'll be nice to use. And this is NYX Professional Makeup Butter Gloss. I do like their products, and I really do love lip products, although I don't wear them if I go out since I have a mask on. But this will last for a while. It'll be in the, I'll leave it in the plastic. And then we have this Found. It's a clarifying red clay sheet mask. So that looks fun for pampering. And this is awesome. This is Strictly Curls Curl Defining Lotion Humidity Shield. Defines and locks in soft frizz-free curls. I have naturally curly hair that has a mind of its own. And I usually just put in a little bit of conditioner, like leave-in conditioner, or I'll use Carefree Curl Gold. You can get that in the ethnic section at Walmart. It's a curl activator, or you can get it on Amazon. A friend of mine told me about it. It's very inexpensive, and it is awesome. But this here is great. I'm looking forward to trying it, and it's a full size. It's 5.9 fluid ounces. You could see it against my hand. It's huge. I looked this up on Amazon, and the tube itself is like $7. So this was worth the price of the box, and I'll definitely use that. So that is a great product to have. And then they send you this little pamphlet that shows you different things that you may have gotten in your box this month. I did not get the dry shampoo, which is fine because I don't use dry shampoo. And I did not get the toner, but I got the other products. So these boxes are great. They are only $5, and they ship out once every quarter. So, or once every season, I think they call it. But so this is awesome. Very, very happy with that box. The next thing I got, I already opened because it came from Amazon and it was delivered to my house, and I wasn't sure what it was. This is one of the wishes from Creativity Swaps Happy Mail and Friendship, as is all of this mail that I got today. I'll link them below. It's a group where we do a lot of swapping, tags, wishes. It's a great group, and I know a lot of you have already joined over there. And this is my wish from Lisa from the group. I have an Amazon wish list that I post in the group. We do wishes on Wednesdays twice a month. So this is Stickles, and it is in the Stardust color. It is perfect for snow, and that is good because I am running out of those colors. So that is perfect. It'll go great on cards that I've been making for Christmas. All right, excellent. Thank you so much, Lisa. I will put this to good use for sure. Then we have this envelope, and this is from the same group, CSHMF. And on the back it says Secret Angel Christmas. So I'm excited to see what this is. There's no return address. So let me see. We have this that's so pretty. Secret Angel, hope you like the handmade snowflake I'm sending for the Christmas ornament tag. I'm the angel. This was Melanie. So I did join the handmade Christmas ornament swap, but that is so pretty. I will hang that up in my craft room. And then this is the ornament. It's so pretty. I wonder if she made this. If you're watching, Melanie, let me know if you made that. That is beautiful. Well, I think it was a handmade ornament, so I'm assuming she made that. So pretty. I love that. And that will definitely get hung on my tree this year. I will set that aside so I can properly thank everyone. I always make a post in the group and thank whoever sends me stuff. This is from Tammy from the group, and I love the purple envelope, of course, since purple is my favorite color of all time. I'm going to use my scissors on this only because we'll be here for a week and a half if I don't. And I will still reuse this envelope for sure. Let's see if there's a paper. All right. Let me see if there's a paper here. Here it is. Hi, Maria. Here is your 6x9 D-stash. I thought you could use for your craft or junk journal stuff. All right. And this is from Tammy. I love this paper. That's so pretty. All righty. And we have this pocket, paper pocket, and a cute tag. And some squares, which would be good for embellishments. And some stickers, which would be good on handmade envelopes if you can't, write an address on it. Good. I like that. I'm kind of a big dill. That's really cute. And some journaling cards. Some stamped images. We have a cat and a bat. And another journaling card. It has a bingo card on the back. And a witch pumpkin. And another cute tag. That's great Halloween colors on that tag. And these are planner stickers. Just little ones, and I do have a planner with very small days, so those would be good. And the heart tag, and some scraps of paper, which is fine, and more journaling cards. That paper's neat with the tickets. Forever and Ever. That one looks like wood. And more planner stickers. And another tag. And a postcard. And some ephemera, a receipt. Some Easter stickers. More planner stickers. This looks like some ephemera. This weekend. Oh, that's kind of fun. I like that. And then and some journaling cards. That's pretty. And some more stickers. Stay young. And it has that on the back. For note taking. And some tags. That's really pretty. I love like housescapes like that. I think they're really pretty. Shine bright. They shine so bright they can't look away. And this is a little tag, but it has some lace on it. And these are really pretty. Those flowers with pearls. Thank you so much, Tammy. Very appreciated. And I will definitely put it to good use. All right. Last but not least is this huge box. This is for homemade Christmas and wishes. So I will try to find a way to open this. I love this paper. It's really cool. Okay, I got it out of the paper. I tried to save as much of the paper as I can because that would be pretty for a background on a card. And this is a beautiful tin. It's from Mrs. Fields Cookies, but I can definitely use that tin. Alrighty, so inside here we have an envelope, beautiful envelope, and it says wishes. So let me open this. I'm going to move this over. There we go. That way I have a little more room to work. And that's a beautiful card. Thank you for all you do. Thank you for all your hard work showing us how to create beautiful things. It's a pleasure swapping with you. God bless, Valerie. So these are drink mix packets. So we have fruit punch, pineapple. Well, I don't think I've had the sun-kissed pineapple before. Mash and mango melon, and another fruit punch. Those will come in handy. I do love those drink packets. I tend to drink them really fast. That's my problem. Alrighty, there we go. Thank you so much, Valerie, for the wishes. And this is the homemade Christmas ornament. I love this card. I love her handwriting. She has great handwriting. I am enclosed. I hope you find an ornament made just for you. I know you'll like it. So let's see what it says inside. Enclosed, I hope you find an ornament made just for you. I know you like all sorts of paper, and being so, I hope you like what I made. Thank you, Valerie. I'm sure I will. That's a really pretty card as well. So let's bring this back over. And I love the tissue paper. That will get reused for sure. Oh, look at this. That is beautiful. I will move this out of the way so you can see it better by itself. And it has all kinds of glitter and sparkle on it. And there's the back. It looks like it was woven from book pages. Valerie, that is beautiful. And I will definitely hang that up and enjoy for sure. Love that. Love, love, love it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I love the wrapping that it was sent in. The tin will definitely come in handy, and I will reuse this tissue paper, because look at this. It's got dogs and trees and gifts, and that one dog's all wrapped in lights. I love this tissue paper, so it will definitely all go to reuse. So this is definitely a double gift because of the tin and the tissue paper. Thank you so much, Valerie. The ornament you sent is absolutely beautiful. I really, really love it. Thank you everyone who sent me goodies this time. I appreciate it all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't checked that group out, it's Creativity Swaps, Happy Mail, and Friendship. It is on Facebook, and the ladies there are really nice, and I will link it below. I also have my own Facebook group, Create with Crafty Rhea, where we share lots of goodies. It's a fun group, and the ladies are awesome. That's also linked below. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you very much. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.